Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the oil in a 2011 Toyota Avalon. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and let the engine cool for 10 minutes. Work with gloves and safety glasses, and place a drain pan under the oil pan. Use jack stands for safety when lifting the front end. Keep rags handy to clean spills and organize used parts for recycling. Warm and conversational. Loosen the oil drain plug slowly so hot oil doesn't splash, and let the oil drain completely into a pan. Inspect the old oil for metal shavings or milky color which indicate problems. While draining, remove the old oil filter with a filter wrench and check the gasket for remnants. Clean the drain plug magnet and reinstall the plug securely before moving to the next step. If you're finding this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers make meal prep and shop snacks easy and tidy while you work on your car, and they stack neatly in your trunk. They're great for greasy hands and messy garages, perfect little lifesavers. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After installing the new oil filter, hand tighten it and then give it a final quarter turn for a solid seal. Lower the car from jack stands and add about 5 quarts of 5W30 oil through the fill port. Start the engine and let it run a minute, then check for leaks around the filter and drain plug. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, and verify oil level with the dipstick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.